when you let off the gas. That
No throttle.
you hear that, Alex? No sound upon acceleration, but when he lets off the gas.
Coasting downhill.
There it is.
Yeah, really no sound on acceleration. But coasting, foot off the gas. There it is.
But no change in performance.
No, there's no slippage or anything like that.
There it is. It almost sounds like something's rubbing.
Yeah,
like
it's a very metallic.
Sounds like something's rubbing. Like, there it is.
Now I'm wondering if that even is the transmission at all.
It almost sounds like a tailpipe dragging along the ground. That's what it sounds like to me. I know that's not what it is, but that's what it sounds like.
I don't know. Now I'm less convinced. You can stop film.